Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in home improvement tech. Today, we're diving into the world of air purifiers to bring you our top picks for 2024. If you're looking to breathe easier and create a healthier indoor environment, stick around because we've got some fantastic options lined up for you. We've included links to all the products mentioned in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Blueair Blue Pure 311i Max. This powerhouse of an air purifier boasts advanced filtration technology to remove airborne pollutants, allergens, and odors, leaving your home feeling fresh and clean. Plus, its sleek design and whisper-quiet operation make it a seamless addition to any room. Blueair Air Purifier, your ultimate solution for clean, fresh air. Say goodbye to airborne pollutants and hello to pure, fresh air with the Blueair Air Purifier. Designed with your health and comfort in mind, this top-performing air purifier is perfect for bedrooms, homes, and even pet owners struggling with allergies. Blueair's Pure Max series features proprietary HEPA silent technology, now even more effective with up to 83% faster cleaning and 50% less noise. Experience cleaner air without the disturbance, as the Quiet Mark certified design operates at a whisper-quiet 23 dB. Equipped with HEPA silent dual filtration technology, this air purifier cleans up to 929 square feet of living space in just 30 minutes, or a 387 square foot medium room in about 12.5 minutes on high. It removes a remarkable 99.97% of tiny airborne particles down to 0.1 microns, including viruses, smoke, pet dander, pollen, mold allergens, and dust. Take control of your indoor air quality with the Blueair Smart Air Purifier app. Schedule cleanings, monitor air quality, and track filter life with ease. Alexa voice control compatibility adds convenience, while features like Clean Air ETA, Welcome Home geofencing, and RealTrack filter tracking technology ensure optimal performance. Navigating your air purifier has never been simpler. The intuitive display, 5-color AQI indicator, and straightforward 2-button design make it easy to adjust fan speed, 1 to 3, activate night mode, set auto settings, adjust brightness, and activate child lock for added safety. Ensure continued performance with the Blueair Genuine Replacement Filter, specifically designed for the Blue Pure 311i Max air purifier. With this replacement filter, you can maintain optimal air quality for months to come. Invest in your health and well-being with the Blueair Air Purifier. Say hello to cleaner air, fewer allergens, and a fresher home environment. Coming in at number 4 is the Winix 5500-2. With its true HEPA filtration system and plasma wave technology, this air purifier effectively captures 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and even viruses. It also features smart sensors to monitor air quality and adjust settings automatically for optimal performance. Winix 5500-2 Air Purifier, your ultimate defense against airborne pollutants. Say hello to cleaner, fresher air with the Winix 5500-2 Air Purifier. Designed to tackle airborne pollutants and allergens, this powerhouse purifier is your go-to solution for creating a healthier indoor environment. Equipped with a true HEPA filter, the Winix 5500-2 captures an impressive 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including dust mites, pet dander, pollen, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns. Breathe easier knowing your air is free from harmful particles. Say goodbye to household odors with the washable AOC carbon filter. Made from activated carbon granules, this filter effectively removes odors, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. Plus, with a decibel rating of just 27.8 dB, you can enjoy peace and quiet while the purifier works its magic. Experience advanced purification with plasma wave technology. Acting as a permanent filter, plasma wave safely breaks down odors, allergens, chemical vapors, and other pollutants without emitting harmful ozone, ensuring your air is clean and safe to breathe. Take the guesswork out of air purification with smart sensors that gauge the air quality in your home. The auto mode adjusts the fan speed accordingly, ensuring optimal filtration when needed. Plus, with a sleep mode for silent nighttime operation, you can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep while the purifier works silently in the background. With a CADR rating for 360 square feet room size, the Winex 5500-2 is suitable for medium and large rooms, including kids' bedrooms, family rooms, and kitchens. Experience cleaner air throughout your home, no matter the size. Forget about the hassle of purchasing extra filters. The Winex 5500-2 comes ready to use with everything you need for effective air purification. Invest in your health and well-being with the Winex 5500-2 air purifier. With advanced filtration, odor elimination, and smart features, it's the ultimate defense against airborne pollutants in your home. Taking the third spot on our list is the Dyson Purifier Cool Auto React. As expected from Dyson, this futuristic air purifier combines cutting-edge design with powerful performance. Its intelligent purification system detects and reacts to changes in air quality, ensuring that you always breathe in clean, fresh air. Plus, it doubles as a cooling fan for those hot summer days. Experience pure comfort and cleaner air with the Dyson Purifier Cool Auto React TP7A. Welcome to the future of home comfort and air purification with the Dyson Purifier Cool Auto React TP7A. Designed to automatically sense, capture, and trap pollutants, this innovative purifier not only cleans the air but also cools you down for ultimate comfort. Equipped with a 360 degrees filtration system featuring a HEPA filter, the Dyson Purifier Cool Auto React TP7A captures an impressive 99.97% of pollutants as small as 0.3 microns. Say goodbye to airborne allergens and enjoy cleaner, fresher air in your home. Choose between fan mode for direct cooling with adjustable oscillation up to 350 degrees or backwards airflow mode for purification without cooling. Enjoy personalized comfort tailored to your preferences, whether you need a gentle breeze or powerful cooling. Acoustically engineered to reduce turbulence, this purifier is 20% quieter than the previous model. Say goodbye to noisy distractions and enjoy a peaceful environment while the purifier works its magic. Experience powerful circulation with Dyson's Air Multiplier technology. This innovative feature draws distant pollutants into the machine, projecting purified air throughout the entire room for comprehensive purification. In night mode, the Dyson Purifier Cool Auto React TP7A monitors and purifies using the quietest settings, with a dim display for undisturbed sleep. Rest easy knowing that your air is being purified silently throughout the night. Program your purifier to turn off after preset intervals between 30 minutes and 8 hours, ensuring energy-efficient operation and peace of mind. Invest in your comfort and well-being with the Dyson Purifier Cool Auto React TP7A. Experience cleaner air and personalized cooling for a healthier, more comfortable home environment. At number 2, we have the Levoit Core 400S. This high-performance air purifier is perfect for larger spaces, thanks to its impressive coverage area and ultra-efficient filtration system. With features like a customizable nightlight and smart connectivity, it's not only effective but also user-friendly and versatile. Elevate your indoor air quality with Levoit air purifiers for home. Introducing the Levoit Core 400S Smart Air Purifier, your ultimate solution for purifying large rooms up to 1,980 square feet. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, kitchen, or basement, this top-performing purifier has got you covered. The Levoit Core 400S Smart Air Purifier is designed to purify rooms efficiently. With the ability to purify a 403 square foot room 5 times per hour and a 1980 square foot room once per hour, you can enjoy clean, fresh air throughout your home. Experience comprehensive filtration with the 3-stage filtration system. The efficient middle filter traps pollen, dust, and pet dander, while the efficient activated carbon filter neutralizes odors, cooking and wildfire smoke, and VOCs, ensuring your air is free from harmful particles and unpleasant odors. Enjoy uninterrupted sleep with the Core 400S running throughout the night. Sleep mode utilizes the lowest fan speed, emitting a mere 24 dB of noise, creating a tranquil environment that's as quiet as falling leaves. Experience relief during allergy and wildfire seasons with powerful air purification. The Core 400S captures allergens that cause sneezing, congestion, breathing difficulties, and other symptoms, ensuring you breathe easier and live more comfortably. Stay informed about your indoor air quality with the built-in laser dust sensor. Continuously scanning the surrounding air for airborne particles, it updates the PM 2.5 display and generates graphs in the VE-Sync app, allowing you to track improvements in air quality over time. Rest assured knowing the Core 400S is Energy Star, FCC certified, and ETL listed. Awarded the German Design Award 2021 and IF Design Award 2021, it's a testament to its exceptional design and performance. For optimal results, use only Levoit replacement filters. Plus, with AirSight Plus technology utilizing a high-sensitivity laser dust sensor, you can trust that your air is in good hands. Elevate your indoor air quality and create a healthier home environment with the Levoit Core 400S Smart Air Purifier. Experience cleaner, fresher air, and breathe easier every day. And finally, taking the crown as our number one pick is the Kawe AP 1512HH Air Mega Mighty. This top-of-the-line air purifier combines style, functionality, and unbeatable performance. With its dual HEPA and activated carbon filters, it effectively removes pollutants, allergens, and even odors from your home, ensuring you always have the freshest air to breathe. Experience clean, fresh air with the Kawe Air Mega AP 1512HH True HEPA Purifier. Transform your indoor environment with the Kawe Air Mega AP 1512HH True HEPA Purifier. Designed to accommodate room sizes up to 361 square feet, this purifier ensures that you and your loved ones breathe in nothing but the purest air. Equipped with a 4-stage filtration system, including a pre-filter, deodorization filter, True HEPA filter, and vital ion filter, the Kawe Air Mega AP 1512HH captures and reduces up to 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns in the air. From pollen and pollutants to allergens and volatile organic compounds, this purifier leaves your air fresh and clean. Stay informed about your indoor air quality with the Kawe Mighty Pollution Sensor. The brightly colored LED indicator provides real-time updates on the cleanliness of your air, allowing you to adjust settings accordingly. Plus, with a timer and filter lifetime indicator, you'll always know when it's time to replace your filters. Choose from multiple fan speeds, ranging from 1 to 3 stages, to suit your preferences. Alternatively, let the auto mode optimize the speed settings based on the level of indoor air quality. Plus, with the eco mode kicking in after 30 minutes of no pollution detection, you can enjoy energy-efficient operation without sacrificing performance. Set the timer to run the purifier for 1, 4, or 8 hours before automatically powering off, ensuring optimal air purification without constant monitoring. And with the filter replacement indicator checking both the pre-filter and HEPA filter, you'll always know when maintenance is required. Experience quiet operation with noise levels ranging from 24.4 dB to 53.8 dB, allowing you to enjoy cleaner air without disruptive noise. Invest in your health and well-being with the Kawe Air Mega AP 1512HH True HEPA Purifier. With advanced filtration, real-time monitoring, and customizable settings, it's the ultimate solution for cleaner, fresher air in your home. There you have it, our top 5 picks for the best air purifiers in 2024. Whether you're looking for superior filtration, smart features, or sleek design, there's something for everyone on this list. We've included links to all the products mentioned in the description below, so be sure to check them out if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and until next time, breathe easy.